Hey guys, it's Miss Shelton again. We're going to start with our second part of our text features. Our next text feature is a close-up, and as you see here, this is circled, this oval right here, and it's a close-up of the spots on the frog's back. A close-up is an image of something that is viewed at a very close range. It allows the reader to see the intricate details of an object. What is being shown with this close-up? The skin of the frog. A cutaway, sometimes called a cross-section. A cutaway is an image that shows the reader the inside of something. It is often appears that a portion of the object has been removed or cut out to allow the reader to view the inside of the object. What is being shown with this cutaway? The organs found inside of a frog. Here we have a map. A map shows the location of an object or occurrence. So here we have the map here of the United States. This map key, this is called a map key right here, is often crucial to the understanding the importance of the map to the overall topic, okay? So this right here is telling us that the northern cricket frogs, and it says here, it shows you the light purple, which are the Blanchard cricket frogs. The blue is the eastern northern cricket frog. And then here in the pink is the coastal cricket frog. What information is being displayed on this map? The location where the certain species of frogs can be found. Which species of frogs can be found in Arkansas? First of all, you have to find where is Arkansas. Right there. There's Arkansas. So if we know that it's purple and blue, you look over here and you will find that the eastern cricket frog and the Blanchard's cricket frog can both be found in Arkansas. Here is a timeline. A timeline is a linear representation of an important events in the order that they occur. Timelines can have different forms. This is a vertical timeline because its line follows from top to bottom path. So it goes from 6 to 9 days all the way to 12 to 16 weeks. And this timeline is a horizontal timeline because it follows from left to right. How long does it take a frog to complete its growth cycle? Well, you look over here. This is egg is fertilized, tadpole hatches, tadpole begins to swim, gills disappear, legs sprout, body enlarges, tail shortens, growth cycle complete. So how long? 12 to 16 weeks. What happens just before a frog's body enlarges and its tail shortens? Well, we see here, the body enlarges and the tail shortens. What happened just before that? Legs sprout. Here are charts and graphs. Charts and graphs are graphical representations of data. The data is represented by bars, lines, and slices. This is called a pie chart because it is used slices to represent the data. This is a table. A table displays data that has been arranged in rows and columns. Which order of amphibians has the least number of species? Well, you find the least number of species, and there it is.